Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create your website on Wix for personalized home fragrances business, easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first let's enter the website. Create new site. Now build with Wix editor, and here enter your business or your website type, personalized home fragrances. So for example, let's choose this. Here enter your store name, any store name you want. Now let's move on. Do you already have an online store? If you already, choose one. If you not, choose not. Now let's move on. What would you like to sell? Physical products, dropshipping products, digital and services. Now let's move on. Where would you like to sell? Online store, my mobile app and marketplaces and social media. Now continue to dashboard. Now design your site. So how would you like to design your website? If you wanna let Wix create a site for you, or if you wanna customize a design template. So for me, I'm gonna choose this. So here enter your information, your business name, your email, your address and your phone, and here if you wanna add some social link. So let's continue, and here choose some theme you like. Now pick your favorite homepage design, so for example this. Now add a page to your site. Now wait a few seconds, preparing the homepage website. Now your site is up and running, so if you want to edit more your site, click here. So this is your homepage website. If you want to add some elements, click here. Now your site, here if you want to add some elements, so you can add text. The first element is the text element, here the same text, the titles and the paragraphs. So choose any form or any shapes you want. Here the image elements, if you're looking for something, if you want to upload image or import image, if you're looking for some free Wix image or some free Wix illustrations. Now let's move on to the button elements. So here if you want to edit the shape or the size, the shape or the size of the buttons. So here you find the themed buttons, the text and icon buttons, and the icon buttons, the image buttons, documents buttons, and the iTunes buttons. And here you find the payments buttons. You have to add some payments buttons on your homepage website. Now let's move on to the strip. Here you find the strip elements, the classic, featured, about, services, contact, and welcome, testimonials, and theme. Let's move on to the decorative elements. Here you find the shapes, the seamed lines, the basic shapes, the rows, the horizontal lines, and the vertical lines. Here you find the vector art, the icons, the animals and nature, the logos and the badges, and here the characters. And the last here is the video elements, the video box and the video mask and transparent video. Now let's move on to the boxes elements, the themed boxes, the container boxes, and the upper boxes and tabs. So just select any one of them here and you can put it on your home page. Now let's move on to the galleries elements. If you're looking for some recommended galleries, if you wanna pro galleries or guide galleries or slider galleries or more galleries. Now let's move on to the menus and the anchor. If you wanna add some themed menus or horizontal menus or vertical menus, and here you find the in-page navigation, the anchor and the in-page menu, and the last here is the site search. Now let's move on to the contact and forms. Here find all the forms you have to add on your homepage: the contact form, the order form, the registration forms, donation forms, application forms, feedback and request, and the waiver and subscribe forms. Now let's move on to the Google Maps. If you wanna add normal maps or full width maps, or the Wix chat, here find the search and the Wix chat and the live button. Now let's move on to the video and the music. Here find the video section. If you wanna add some single video players, Wix video, video box, video mask, and transparent video. Here you find the music elements, the audio players. If you wanna add some audio players, Wix music, and SoundCloud player, and Spotify player, and iTunes button. Now let's move on to the interactive. Here you find the slideshows, full width slideshows, or the boxed slideshows. Here we find the light boxes. Here we find the boxes, the over boxes, and the tabs. And the last here is the repictures. And now let's move on to the list elements. Here we find the repictures and the over repictures and the blank repictures. So that's it. Now let's move on to the embed code. Here if you want to custom some popular embeds, if you want to add some single video players, here if you want to edit your audio elements, the SoundCloud player or Spotify player or iTunes player. And here you find the advanced elements, the marketing tools, and the VeloDev mode. And here the last elements is the animation elements. Now let's move on to the social bar. If you want to add some social bars, or if you want to add some Facebook link or Twitter or Pinterest or VK or Line. And here find the YouTube. The last is YouTube. Now let's move on to the payments. If you want to add some payments buttons, here you can manage your payments forms, the pricing plans, and the store if you want to edit your store elements. Now let's move on to the CMS. Here if you want to easily manage your site content, the blog if you want to share your expertise and engage with your audience. Here the store if you want to edit your store elements, the bookings. Here we find the bookings elements and the related elements and the pricing plans. Now let's move on to the events. Here if you want to create and manage events, if you want to edit your community elements, and the last is your designs. So that's it. Now if you want to add some sections, click here, select any section here you want, and now let's move on to the page and menus. So here you can add some site menu. So let's move on now to the site design. You can customize your site design if you want to edit the color theme or the text theme or the page background or the page transitions. Here if you want to add some apps, if you want to manage your business, and here if you want to upload your media or edit images and videos, or here if you're looking for some free Wix images or free Wix videos. Here if you want to easily manage your site content, and here marketing and SEO if you want to edit the Google ads, manage your Google ads or Facebook ads or SEO or social media marketing, or the marketing integrations. So that's it. Now after you're done from designing your website, all you have to do is click here publish, and you're gonna publish your website easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.